Everything you write in WriteFlow will be stored as elements in a database. A document is composed of a lot of such elements. Each of those elements can be addressed individually. You can use keywords, add notes, or change the author. You can split and merge those elements manually. But normally you won't have to pay attention. WriteFlow creates a new element every time you change the text style of parts of an element or when you just start a new paragraph. When you've copied a quote, you can just select it, tell WriteFlow this text is a quote from a book from your database, and WriteFlow will insert automatically the right footnote. As you can see, the quote is now a new element, separated from the text you wrote before. WriteFlow offers two different views for your documents. One where you can see all the elements all the time, another one where you can only see them for a few seconds when you pass the mouse over them. If you don't want to be distracted at all, you can choose the output style WF White or create your own style with your own colors. When we now look at the book in the media view, we see that the new quote shows up here as well. It is ready for further use in a new document. We look up the book in the database and insert the new quote in a new document. Now, when we look into the versions inspector, we see that WriteFlow knows that this quote is used in two documents. When we now want to change this quote because we need a shorter version, we can just delete the text. Once we have finished and the cursor leaves this element, WriteFlow asks if we want to apply the changes also in the other document. In this case, we still want to keep the longer version in the other document and just say cancel. In the versions inspector, you can see now that we have two versions of this quote in two different documents. You see those small arrows? They allow us to easily switch between the two versions of the element.